Hi, fifth grade. Today we're starting our third free verse poem. So this process should be becoming more familiar to you, but I'm going to show you how to navigate this assignment in order to complete it. So the first thing that you're going to do is go up to work for the week of November 16th through the 20th. You can see that you should be working on this poem or this assignment Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. This doesn't mean you can wait until Friday to do all of the steps because you're not going to do quality work if you do that. It's not due until Friday, but I code my assignments to give you guys clues on the kind of time that you should spend on it. So you have from today, the 16th of November, until the 20th of November to complete this. You should be doing a little bit each day. So again, we're going to click on this assignment. We're always going to say view assignment. So that takes us to this. And you can see that you have 5 documents over here. And for some reason, when they put them in your work, I don't know why Google does this, but they're out of order. But I did add numbers. So you should be able to see that this is the document you'll complete first. And this is the document you'll complete second. And this is the document you'll complete third. This is the document you'll complete fourth. And then this is the document you'll complete fifth. Now, you're not going to complete any of those until you watch the video lessons. So you will start out by clicking on the writing process video lessons presentation. Obviously, this slide is hosting this video that I'm creating right now, explaining how you're going to navigate through this assignment. So on Monday, you're going to start with watching the video lesson on slide 1 that explains how to use this assignment, how to use the videos and complete the documents. And then on day 2, slide 2, you'll find a video lesson on pre-writing. You're going to watch that video before you actually go complete pre-writing. So you'll watch this intro video and then you'll watch the pre-writing video. From there, you're going to go back to your assignment. You're going to find the document that has number 1 and you're going to click on that. That's your pre-writing web. Your topic for this pre-writing web is going to come from your heart map. So again, you'll have to open a tab. You'll have to go to your waffle and you're going to have to do a search in your Google Drive for your digital heart map. Some of you did this in your folder, so you may not need to get it from your drive, but if you did a digital one, that's where you're going to want to find it. So you're going to start typing digital heart map, and you can see mine came up here. So I'm going to click on that. This is your third topic. So you're going to choose something that you haven't already written about. Okay. So my first poem was about my dog Albus. My second poem was about a week in Hawaii. So I'm going to select a third topic to write about today. So you'll get that from your heart map. Then you'll come back to your pre-writing and you'll go from there. You'll fill in the details and plan your piece of writing. After completing this step of pre-writing, once you've gathered all your details, and remember, it's fine if you don't fill up the entire cluster or web, but it's not okay if you fill up just 1 or 2. You need to have enough good solid details to go ahead and create a first draft. If you can't come up with enough details for that reason, then you probably need to abandon your topic and pick something else. So you might have to revisit that heart map. After completing pre-writing, you're going to go back to the back to the writing process video lessons, and you're going to click on slide 3. This is where the video lesson on how to complete draft 1 is located. So you'll watch that video, then you'll go again back to your work and the assignment over here, and you'll look for the one that has the 2 next to it. And if you hover over it, it says draft 1 free verse poem number 3. So you'll click there, you'll read those instructions. You will not delete those instructions. You will actually hit your cursor there, hit enter a couple times, and that's where you'll start writing your poem. When you complete this step of the writing process, then you will return back to the writing process video lessons, and you will watch the video found on slide 4. This teaches and talks to you about revising and creating draft 2. You'll watch that video lesson, then you'll return to the assignment, and you'll complete the document that has the 3. And if you hover over it, you'll see it has revising draft 2 verse poem, free verse poem number 3. Okay. Then after completing draft 2 and revising, that doesn't just mean copying draft 1. It means actually going in and making changes. If you watch the video, you know that. You will go back to the video lessons. You will click on slide 5. You will watch the editing and draft 3 video lesson. Then you will go back to the assignment. You will find the document that has the 4, and you will complete that step of the writing process the way the video shows you. Then after that, you're going to go back to the Google presentation that is hosting these video lessons. You'll watch the video on polishing and publishing, and then you will go into the assignment. You will find the document that has the 5 next to it, and you will complete that step of the writing process. And that at that time, if you feel like you have completed every step and you have your poem exactly the way you want it, then you will turn in all 5 of those documents. If you were able to, it doesn't matter when you're able to complete this, but you should be working on this a little bit each day. So you could potentially be done with this by Wednesday, or you could take the whole week for that. Okay. That's why it's not due until Friday, but if you were to complete it before, then of course that's okay. So everybody's writing process is a little different and takes a little different amount of time, but you should not be stretching this out longer than the course of a week. I love and miss you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please, please, please do this assignment the way I've laid it out for you. Please, please, please watch the video lessons. Please, please, please message me if you need my help on anything.